Hello everyone, welcome to Den Talks. So today we are here with another video for you. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. It's simply that there are so many of them. But which laptop is ideal for you? Is it a laptop for work, a gaming laptop, or a Chromebook? We understand how daunting the sheer amount of options may be, which is why we brought one just for you so that you can learn everything there is to know about your potential system before you commit to buying it. Here are some key suggestions for getting the ideal system for you. From guidance on the screen size to deciding between an SSD and HDD, to insider scoops on where to discover the greatest laptop pricing. The Dell XPS 13 2020 is a beast of a laptop. Dell's bold decisions and unwavering dedication to innovation are to thank for this. Following up on the outstanding XPS 13 2019, Dell takes the company's Infinity Edge display to the next level by eliminating the final bezel. As a result, the laptop is borderless, making it the first of its type. That's not all, though. For $1,749, you get a laptop with a larger display, as well as a larger, more ergonomic keyboard and trackpad, all housed in a chassis that is smaller than its predecessors. Aside from the cosmetic modifications, the XPS 13 is a strong laptop with a 10th gen Intel Core i7 CPU and a battery life of over 12 hours. The Dell XPS 13 is one of the greatest laptops on the market because of this. Check out our review of the 11th Gen Intel Tiger Lake Dell XPS 13 if you're searching for the most recent model. The Dell XPS 13 features a 1 GHz Intel Core i5 1035G1 CPU, 8 GB of RAM, and a 256 GB M.2 PCIe NVMe SSD. An Intel UHD graphics GPU, and a non-touch display with a resolution of 1920 by 1200. I tested the $1,749 model, which comes with a 1.5 GHz Intel Core i7 1065G7 processor, 16 GB of RAM, a 512 GB M.2 NVMe SSD, an Intel Iris Plus GPU, and a 1920 by 1200 touch display. A 1TB SSD, $150, 2TB SSD, $350, and a 3840 by 2400 touch display, $300, are also available for the laptop. The Core i7 CPU, 2TB SSD, Windows 10 Pro, and a super high-resolution display are also all included in a 2309 XPS 13. In addition to the frost color scheme, the laptop would be available in silver and black. The XPS 13 is a showstopper on the outside and inside. The frost white anodized aluminum finish on the lid is nice to the touch and looks elegant when put in and taken out of the purse. The gleaming Dell logo resembles a fashionable brooch with just the perfect amount of glitz. The twin-coil hinge, which makes opening the laptop with one hand as effortless as flipping a page in a book, is one of my favorites. When you open the laptop, you'll see more of that winter white motif. The stain-resistant Arctic white deck is stunning, thanks to Dell's unique glass fiber weave. For quick Windows Hello login, the XPS 13 features an integrated fingerprint reader in the power button. It's a simple and effective method to provide an extra layer of protection. I wish Dell had figured out a method to add a physical shutter or an electronic kill switch to the camera. The usage of a piece of tape detracts from the attractiveness of those barely visible bezels. This was it for today's video. I hope you liked this video. Do let us know in the comments below what you think about the laptop. Which other laptops do you think are great? Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel and ring that bell so you don't miss a new video.